Woodpeckers' equal space divider takes the math out of the job by instantly positioning 6 lines equidistant from each other at any spacing between 3/4 and 4 inches. Based on the mathematical theory of the parallelogram, the equal space divider works by moving perpendicular to the spaced line, meaning you can draw a crosshatch instead of just a point. Once you have the spacing locked in, you can repeat the pattern as many times as needed for your project. Constructed out of 301 full hard stainless, the equal space divider even comes with a wall-mountable racket for convenient storage. The equal space divider from Woodpeckers. Precision made in the USA.